Hi, this is Austin Russo from Gamma Plus StyleCraft, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Hitter Trimmer. So the Hitter Trimmer actually comes in two editions. We've got the StyleCraft in the classic matte blue, matte metallic pink, and of course the always popular matte black. Then we have the Gamma Plus Hitter, which actually has now gone to a matte edition, which comes in a matte gold, matte chrome, and matte silver. So this is become one of our most popular products, that's for sure, and one of the most popular trimmers really on the market and in the world in today's age. And there's a lot of reasons why this little bad boy packs a punch. And the reason why I say little is because of the size. So it's really a really nice size tool. That's probably one of the things we hear the most about it, that people love the size of it and how easily and comfortably it fits in your hand. Again, this is now the new matte edition, which comes with the matte rose gold, gold, and chrome. And then the StyleCraft does come with the blue, the black, and the pink. And I guess you get a little tease here already with some of the capabilities and all the different body modifications. So the first thing that we really pioneered and introduced to the world and the industry was custom body modifications out the box. So the ability to customize your tool. If I want to buy a blue trimmer, a black trimmer, a pink trimmer, a gold, a chrome, a rose gold, it's all right here at my fingertips. I don't have to go spend money to buy a whole new trimmer just to get a different color. So you can see all the different options that come right outside the box. The way it works very easily, we just remove the three little screws from the back of the trimmer. You'll remove the lid, and from there you can assemble any combination you'd like. We actually even got patented on our Hitter Trimmer our drop top feature. So by removing this drop top piece, you can easily skeleton your tool as well. So whether you want a solid full housing cover or if you want an exposed skeleton, all those options are included. Also included with our hitter is our axis shield. So not only is the drop top patented, but so is our axis shield. So what this allows you to do by skeletoning it, obviously looks really cool, keeps the blade cooler, gives you that 360 degree of sight line, but once you put that axis shield on, it prevents any hair getting caught in the armature or the axis spindle of the trimmer as well. So really nice feature to be able to customize your tool to whatever need, whatever look that you'd like. And the customization doesn't stop with the housings. So it does come with a stand right in the box as well. And then underneath the box, you actually even have different color button options. So whether I want my button to glow green, glow red, or glow pink, or glow blue, or of course just the classic white, which is how it comes assembled, all those options are right in the box as well. It does come with the screwdriver. This is really the first and only trimmer that we know of with mini USB charging. So yes, it does have a stand, which charges right in here, slides right in, nice heavy duty stand with a long 8-foot cord, so I can charge it in the stand with the 8-foot cord. I can take it out of the stand, plug the 8-foot cord in the bottom, we call it a pass-through cord because it works in the stand or directly into the unit. And on top of that, you have the mini USB charging capability as well, which now we have our magnetic mini USB charging kit, so now you can make this a magnetic charging system as well for even more convenience. So so many first of a kinds that we really, pioneered with this trimmer, and the performance is really unbelievable. And at the end of the day, that's what we all care about, right? We want a trimmer that's just going to cut, really great for precision, great for lineups, great for design work, and also a great bulk trimmer as well. A lot of ways that people like to remove the bulk is we call it the inverted bulk drop. So pushing down inverted with this trimmer is a very effective way to remove bulk, but all around, amazing performance. I think if you haven't seen a video with this trimmer yet, I encourage you to check out our page because there are a lot of them. The hitter comes assembled with our black diamond blade on it, black diamond fixed blade, and then our deep tooth cutter as well. So that's how it comes assembled. They do zero gap, but they do hit right out of the box. But we always recommend zero gap and adjust your tools to your liking and your settings. So even though it does hit outside the box, always good to zero gap your tools and set them the way you like. Right on the box again, we always have clearly all the amazing features and benefits. So we talked about the removable skeleton drop top, the black diamond blade that stays cooler, it stays sharper longer, and it's rust impermeable. So we're based out here in beautiful, sunny, humid Florida. Never have to worry about those fixed blades rusting with the black diamond finish. All the blades are adjustable and can be zero gapped. The hitter has not a 1 hour cordless, not a 2 hour, not a 3 hour, a 4 hour cordless runtime, industry leading cordless runtime. Really cool function is as the battery dies, which is going to take a while. These don't die very often, but it'll actually beep once when it's starting to die, beep twice when it's about 10% left, and beep 3 times when it's 5% left as well. And you'll see the light flash as well, so you'll get a good indicator. But again, it's going to take 4 hours for that to happen, so plenty of cutting as well. These are our new honed blades, so they've been honed to be sharper and smoother, so really beautiful rounding of the tips. But really, I mean, this thing hits. There's a reason why we call it the hitter. Yeah, so it comes with the guards as well. We talked about the different color buttons, the axis shield. The other thing that's really nice with a lot of our tools, pretty much all of them that have the interchangeable lids, is we do offer different lid options as spare parts. So with the hitter, we do have red and black, 2 of the most popular combinations. We even have clear, white. We have a transparent slime green. We've got a couple wood finishes, so some really beautiful lid options as well. Many people know we have a lot of different blade options now too. So the Ultimate blade and the Ultimate 2.0 blade do fit on the hitter. Actually, all of our clipper blades fit on all of our clippers, and all of our trimmer blades fit on all of our trimmers. So really, people have loved the Ultimate 2.0 blade on the hitter, and actually even the Black Diamond Deep Tooth cutter as a cutting option as well works and performs great as well. So this is our Old Faithful, one of our absolute premier best-selling tools. Really excited to share with you. World, meet the hitter. Hitter, meet the world.